know more ways to make your YouTube channel page more organized and appealing, and also have more people subscribe to your channel and get more watch time, I'll show you. But first, if you're new here, greetings, and if you're someone who usually watches my channel, welcome back. It's nice to have you. Please subscribe because I post videos every week. Right, let's get started. Click on the button that says my channel. You can see my channel page, which has my popular uploads, my recent uploads, and custom playlists that I have in my channel. If one of your playlists has 13 videos or more, the homepage will only show the recent 12. But when they click on the video, they'll see all the videos that you made on that playlist. Make sure every single video you have is in the playlist. Have your channel art and thumbnails themed with each other, so people will see that you have a theme going on. Have your public session enabled, and once you enable that, then other YouTube creators, they have that section enabled as well. There's a possibility that you might be featured in that section as well. So it's very important to have it turned on. Click on customize channel now for you to put certain videos and playlists in your channel page. I'm gonna delete my public uploads section, and just so I can show you how I made it. Go to the bottom and you'll see select content. You'd have 10 types of videos or playlists throughout your channel page. Now that you clicked on that, you can have it vertical or horizontal. After that, click done. You can use the up or down buttons on the top right section to move your playlist anywhere you want. You have to organize the playlist, which playlist does better than most if you know which one actually has more click rates, and think of it as a top 10 playlist. Before we continue, shout out to my new subscriber Elite FTW Gaming. Thank you for subscribing. Now back to the video. After that, go to your about section on your channel page to see the first 3 lines in your about section, because that's how new visitors who know what your channel is about, because if they like what they see, they will subscribe. If you have social media or anything like that, put in your about section as well. And if you have like a upload schedule or something, put there as well. Next tab, use the links in the bottom to easily link your Twitter, your Instagram, or anything like that in the bottom there. But the most important one is the subscribe button, because that's how people will easily be able to subscribe to you. Plus you can put the link on the bottom right of your channel art. In order for that to happen, click on your channel's URL. In order for that to work, click on your URL and then add this here. I'll also leave it down in the description below so you can copy that. So you can add or take away any link you want in the bottom. But if you ready to move things around, do this: copy one link, paste it. We want that to go, then copy the link that was originally there. Then right click, cut, go to the link section where you want it to go, and paste and change the names on the left side as well. And then when everything's we want it to be, click done. Anywhere between 1 and 5 of those links will show up in your channel on top have the same URL link with this added, so when people click on that, they were able to subscribe to you, and immediately it takes them to your homepage. Tip has some of your playlists in your description as well, so people will easily find that accessible and will most likely click on the videos and visit them, and then giving you more watch time in a comment section in a video or playlist just related to the video that they're watching that you already made in the video, so that way they won't leave your channel. I got this whole video idea from YouTube creator Nimmin, so please check out that video that he made right here. Shout out to Julia Tower on Instagram and Queen 381 on Twitter. Thank you for following. If you want a shout out, retweet my pinned comment whenever I post a video. Please follow me on Instagram. Please share the video if you found this video helpful. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like. What other type of YouTube related videos do you want me to do next? I'll do the best I can to make those type of videos for you. Hit the subscribe button, ring the bell, and that way you'll be notified when I make new videos, and click on any of the videos here, and I appreciate your time for watching. See ya.